In this video, I will show you how to play Mythic Warriors Pandas on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Mythic Warriors Pandas brings the role-playing genre to life and throws up exciting challenges for gamers. Developed by 9ring, this Android game is actually best experienced on BlueStacks, which is the world's #1 app player for PC and Mac users. So it is absolutely possible to play Mythic Warriors Pandas on PC by using BlueStacks. To get started, what you're going to want to do is click onto the link in the video description down below. So below this video, you're going to see a link, and if you give that a click, you'll be taken to a web page like this. On this page, you can see there's a button which says Play Mythic Warriors Pandas on PC, and if we give this a click, this is going to download BlueStacks onto our PC. Once this is downloaded, what you can do is click to run the BlueStacks installer, and then just go through the steps to install that on your PC. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what it basically does, it allows you to play Android games and apps on your PC. So once everything's installed, you're going to get a window like this with a blue launch button. What you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to go ahead and launch BlueStacks on your PC once it's installed. Now, by default, if you did click the link in the video description down below, it's going to take you to the install page for Mythic Warriors. So at this point, all you need to do is, it might say install from Google Play. So if you give that a click, and what you want to do is log in with your Google account, and then it's going to take you to the app page where you can click the blue install button and start installing Mythic Warriors Pandas on your PC or laptop. So just while that's installing, there's just a couple of things I want to run through with you guys on why you should consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. Now, one of the biggest advantages for me for playing using BlueStacks on a PC is the option to use game controls. So you can use your keyboard and mouse and a gamepad for certain supported games, which is great if you don't get on with touchscreens. Now, the controls should already be preset for the games, but you can of course customize them to your personal preferences. So in addition to this, is a really cool macros feature which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press, as well as a built-in eco motor that optimizes your PC usage when running multiple instances, giving you the best possible experience for playing Android games on your PC. Also, there is a cool real-time translation feature which allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if this game's exclusive to other countries that you've been wanting to check out but you can't due to language barrier reasons, you can use BlueStacks, which is going to automatically translate to your local language and allow you to play that game. Now, in addition to this, of course, playing on PC, you're going to get a better frame rate, so you're going to get a much higher frame rate, which is going to give you much smoother gameplay and just an overall better gameplay experience. And of course, there is obviously the option to experience Android games in full HD. Now, there are a ton of other features and benefits of using BlueStacks, as you can see here, but those are just a few of the key things that I think personally make BlueStacks really worth considering to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So coming back to BlueStacks now, you can see Mythic Warriors Pandas has nearly finished downloading, so it's just going to take a minute or two now to install. Once that's done, we'll be good to go and you'll be able to play. So you can see that's now finished. We've got the blue play button. So all you want to do is give the blue play button a click, and it's going to launch this using the BlueStacks app player. Now, upon initially loading this, it might just take a minute or two to load through due to updates and things like that. And then we're going to be taken to the login screen where we can log in with our Google account or Facebook account. So here we are, as you can see, and what we're going to do is just click Start Journey. Now, you can see straight off the bat how smooth and fast that the BlueStacks app player runs. There's no lag at all. In my case, it actually runs very, very smooth. Of course, this is just the character creation screen, so what I'm going to do is just jump straight into the game so you can see the actual gameplay itself. So here we are in game, and as mentioned, as you can see, again, it is a very, very good experience, very smooth, no lag at all really, and yeah, it just plays really well. So if you look to the right hand side, you've got these different icons as well. You've got the keyboard up here where you can of course customize your controls and things like that, and we've got this cool little screenshot button. There's a ton of features you can check out in your own time on this, but that's a quick overview on how to play Mythic Warriors Pandas on PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.